Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to grind your own meat for the perfect hamburger. Before we get started, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I'd like to say welcome and please come back because I'll be posting a lot of good content. And for those of you that are return viewers, welcome back. And please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and go ahead and share with everyone that you know, as well as leave me some comments down below. I will be uploading videos regularly, so go ahead and click that notification bell in the top right hand corner of the screen so you don't miss out on the videos each time I do upload a new one. Now on to the video. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Gerald. Today I'm going to make my version of my do-it-yourself Big Mac. I'm actually going to grind my own meat. Normally when you grind your meat, you want to do short ribs and a sirloin. However, I'm not doing that. I'm doing a ribeye and short ribs. So the reason you want to do the short ribs is because of all the fat from the marbling, and then you also want to get a good piece of meat that has some marbling in it as well, so that the burgers aren't dry. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut the meat off the bones, and I'll be back. However, before I get started, just want to point out what all you're going to need if you choose to grind your own meat. I have this KitchenAid attachment with the food grinder. I also bought an attachment that connects to this to stuff sausages, like if you want to make your own sausage. I have a sausage stuffer. But anyway, you have the meat grinder where you want to put your meat in here when it's ice cold, because if you don't, the fat will melt and it won't make a good burger. So what I've done is I put a stainless steel bowl in the freezer so that once I grind up the meat, I can put it in there and put it back in the freezer for like about 10 minutes so that it hardens back up. And with the meat grinder comes your different blades for the texture of meat that you want. I'm going to grind it with the large one first to see if that's what I want. If not, then I'm going to grind it a little finer. And that's it. So I'll be back. Okay, everybody. So I have all my beef deboned. So now what I'm going to do is cut them up in strips. This is that ribeye, cowboy ribeye. It's nice and thick. Look how thick it is, and look at all that fat. That's going to help make the burgers juicy. So I'm going to cut that in a strip. Cut the rib in a strip. Look at all that marbling in that short rib. These are going to be some nice juicy burgers. All right, so I'm going to put these in the freezer for about 10 minutes until they get real cold to a point where they're almost frozen, and then I'll go ahead and feed them through the meat grinder. I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back. All my meat has gotten really firm, cold. So I'm gonna go, and this is my frozen bowl. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start grinding the meat. All right, so I've got the smaller grinder attachment on there. I'm not going to grind all of it small. I want to see the difference when I cook up one right quick. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of the meat back in there. And compare the difference between the two, of the fine grind and the bigger grind. Okay everyone, so I'm back. So as you can see, this looks more like your regular ground beef with the finer grind. I did leave still some of the larger grind. So what I'm going to do is make 2 burgers to see if there's a difference in taste and texture. Okay guys, so I'm back. I cooked a little sample of each one of these. The one over to the left is the finer grind, like regular ground beef. The one over here is the ground beef that had the larger grind. And this is just the little onion burger I have from the onion I put it in. But I like the smaller grind is going to give you more of a texture of like a regular burger. To me, this one gives you the texture of a steak burger, like from a Steak and Shake, because it's not as tight as the regular hamburger, the regular grind is, or the smaller grind is. So I guess it's just a matter of preference. So I'm going to leave me half and half. So I'll be back. All right, so my meat is almost finished, my burgers. So I'm going to go ahead and dress my sandwich. I like leaving mine in an aluminum foil piece so that it stays warm while I'm eating it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and dress it with my sauce. About a teaspoon on the bottom and top bun. And then about a teaspoon on this middle bun. Alright, so this is the bottom bun. Drop some lettuce on top of that. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and watching my video. Please leave me some comments down below and let me know what you thought about the video. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with everyone that you know. And don't forget to click that notification bell in the top right hand corner of the screen so that you'll be notified each time I do upload a new video. You can also find me on other social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I also have a Facebook group, Cooking with Gerald. We post recipes and photos of dishes that we've cooked. All of my links to all these platforms are down below. Until next time, stay safe. I'll go ahead and add my other burger. And my other bacon. And that's it. Put it up in the paper like that. Now y'all look at that burger. Look how big it is. Let me put it under the light over here. Look how big and juicy that burger is. Alright, so I thank you for watching. And my fries cooking are almost finished, but thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And please share the video with your family, friends, or anyone else who you would think would want to watch my videos. Be safe out there. God bless, and have a good one.